Hi, I'm Mr. Anthony, an economics super tutor as featured on the Straits Times and BBC. So what are public goods? Public goods refers to goods or services that are non-rivalrous and non-excludable in consumption. A good is non-rivalrous in consumption if one person's consumption of the good does not reduce the quantity available to another person. Collective consumption is possible. For example, in the case of street lighting, once the street lighting is provided, it does not get any dimmer just because another person is consuming it. Because of this, once a public good is provided, the marginal cost of providing the good to an additional user is zero. With zero marginal cost, the basic principle of optimal resource allocation calls for the provision of public goods and services at zero price or no charge. However, if the price is zero, no firms will want to supply the good. A good is non-excludable in consumption if it is difficult to exclude non-payers from enjoying the benefits of the good. In the case of street lighting, it is impossible to prevent non-payers from enjoying it once the street is lit up. This gives rise to the free rider problem. Since non-payers can also enjoy the good, no one is willing to pay for it. As a result, demand is concealed and difficult to estimate.